Hello everyone. I hope all my children are keeping safe, and I'm really looking forward to welcoming you back. As we know, each one of us and the entire world is getting affected because of coronavirus pandemic. Our families, our communities, our way of life is also getting affected because of it. But I'm quite sure one day we are going to overcome this phase together. As you know, all of a sudden we had to close down our school, and I couldn't say a proper bye to my loving students, for which I feel bad. I'm really missing my students, their hugs, their smile, their mischievous activities. Though we are not in the classroom together, but you all are in my heart and in my thoughts. I also let you know that you are still loved, and whatever we are doing is for you all. I also wanted to assure you that your future prospect is our immediate priority. The entire EIS team is working on it and will keep you updated. Take care, stay safe, and look after each other. And remember, learning never stops at EIS. Bye.
Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are taking good care of your health and be strong. Okay, I know that you're missing school, you're missing teachers, even we teachers are missing you. Trust me, we are missing you all. Children, in this situation, it has also taught us many good things. I'll tell you 3 things which it have taught me. Being patient, value time, and keep learning. Yes, we should keep learning. One of the best thing about life is that we never stop learning. As at EIS, also, learning never stops. Isn't it, children? That's right. We at EIS, all the teachers are keeping everything going, and we want our children never stop learning. We are helping them to do that. There are always the new skills to learn and adapt, new techniques for us to be adapted. It may be pandemic or any situation in life, children, we all have understood the fact that we have to continuously learn to be successful in the life. Children, I'm really excited to meet you. I'm really eager to see you all. It may be virtually. Yes, virtual learning is something through which we can continue with learning process, which we can continue with the lessons or meeting you all, asking you all how are you, and I'm really eager to meet you. So be ready to meet us and see you soon. I hope you take good care of your health, be strong, and don't forget to smile. All the best. See you soon. Bye-bye.
I'm missing my students a lot because of their unconditional love, the respect they have given to me, and their honest, childish conversation with me. I'm very much excited to meet my students either face to face or through virtual classes in coming academic year. As a teacher, I want to meet my students face to face with social distancing so that I can see their happy faces and feel the excitement. But in this corona pandemic situation, we should ready for the virtual classes. For the same, I'm attending a number of webinars which is suggested by our principal and vice principal ma'am, and our school management is also planning to offer us training on virtual classes. It will help us to prepare for the virtual classes because learning never stops at EIS.
How are you all? I hope you all are good by taking good care of your health by staying at home. And kids, I know you are doing something creative to keep yourself busy. And I know you are not at all troubling to your parents, right? And must be missing the school very much. Yes, I am also missing my school, my kids very much. I am missing their happy and sweet faces and their questions, the habit of questions they have. Though they are preschoolers, they have very inquisitive, very curious minds, and the questions are always ready on the tip of their tongue. And when they got the satisfactory answers, they felt very happy, and me too. I am very excited to meet them in the coming academic year, either by face to face or by virtual programs. Yes, we have already started working on the virtual programs like distance learning programs through videos, worksheets, quizzes, and many more interesting things. So don't worry at all. We will provide a good education to our kids. And the most important thing, learning never stops at EIS, right? Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.
Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good at your home. You must be missing your school routine and friends and teachers also. We are missing you also. Because your good morning wishes and your chit chat, everything. But use this time for exploring your hidden talents like cooking, art and craft, drawing, coloring, painting, lot many things you can do. And same time you can keep on reading good books which will help you to enhance your language skill and vocabulary. Very soon we are going to meet in the month of June, either by virtually or by face to face. It depends on the situation and as per the government instruction. Because in any of the case we never stop learning. In EIS we never stop learning. So see you soon with the new enthusiasm and energy. Take care. Bye-bye.
Hello students, I hope everyone is doing well, staying home, right? Are you enjoying your lockdown period? Yes or no? Yes, this is the period when we can learn new things. I am also learning a new things. But apart from this, we all are missing our school, right? Yes, I am also missing you all very much. I am missing our computer sessions, practical session. I am missing your words of saying, "Ma'am, please take us to lab. No theory today, ma'am. Ma'am, please take us for practical. Ma'am, please lab. Yes? I hope everyone is doing practice of computer, right? Please keep practicing. I don't know when we can meet personally, but virtually we can meet anytime, right? Yes, we will meet virtually very soon because learning never stops at EIS. Thank you.